Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if your Maytag washer is showing you the error codes like SD or LF, then we have F5, F7 and others. So these codes are designed to help identify exactly what's going wrong. So the good news here is that many of these issues can be diagnosed and fixed in just a few minutes. So first of all, let's understand the SD or 5D error code. So this particular code means that the washer has detected too many soap suds. So this often happens when you are using too much detergent or non-HE detergent. So in order to fix it, you need to run a rinse cycle, reduce the detergent use and always use the HE detergent if your model requires it. Afterwards, when we talk about the LF error code, it indicates that the washer is taking too long in order to fill with the water. So in order to fix it, you just have to check both the water supply valve, whether these are fully open, inspect the inlet hoses workings and clean the inlet valve screens if debris is restricting the flow. Afterwards, when we take a look at the F5 or F5 E3 error codes, these are relating to the lid or the door lock problems. So in order to fix it, you just have to do nothing but to just inspect the latch for obstructions, clean the lock area and reset the washer. If the lock mechanism is damaged, you can also basically replace it. After that, when we talk about the F7 error code, which is relating to the motor or drive system fault. So F7 code often relates to the motor control, drive system issues and basket movement problems. So in order to fix it, you just have to simply check the overloads, inspect the drive belt or actuator, and then you can also reset the washer to clear the temporary control errors. Now for many Maytag error codes, unplug the washer or you just have to turn off the breaker for about 1 to 2 minutes and it can reset the control board and clear the temporary faults. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.